We are into design and manufacturing of complete cement plants. Since our equipments are huge, there are enormous design and development activities. Before engaging with idea design solutions and opting for SolidWorks, our design cycle was very long. We used to have separate team for generating bill of material, and still there used to be lot of rework in the shop floor, either because of errors or problems in the drawings. But after using the SolidWorks under the guidance of idea design solutions, we have been able to considerably reduce the design and development cycle and as well as rework in the shop floor. I can safely say that we have cut down our design cycle by 50 to 60% and rework by 80 to 90% thanks to idea design solutions. One of the major challenges we used to face till last year was managing our engineering data. The reason being the quantity of the data, as we have around 1 lakh drawings, and moreover we have 20 people in the design team who generates huge data on daily basis. This situation was very critical, as we used to waste lot of time in getting the right information at right time. The design cycle used to be very long, and mismanagement of data was also one of the major reasons. We were then contacted by the idea design solution, and their team explained us how we can overcome this challenge with enterprise PDM from SolidWorks. And today, after 6 months of uses, we are able to not only securely and successfully manage the data, but reuse it very effectively. Today, each member has authorized access and they can easily search or access the desired information. The drawings are automatically revision controlled. The enterprise PDM implemented by Idea Design Solutions has enabled us to be much more efficient in managing the data. Our workflow and engineering change processes are automated. Today, I can safely say that we reuse more than we rebuild, which was the other way around earlier. In cement plants, lot of our products are tailor-made. I mean to say that they are resized based on the customer specifications. Conveyors, bucket elevators are few of such examples. If suppose we have to design a new conveyor, we have to generate at least 50 to 60 drawings after resizing all of them, checking the BOM and other specifications. The changes are done based on certain calculations which are already known to us, but still the whole process used to take about 1 month. We have discussed this challenge with Idea Design Solutions that our product is tailor-made and there should be some system available to speed up the process. Then they introduced us to the DriveWorks. DriveWorks, the automation technology, helped us to drastically cut down the design cycle. The concept here is to make a master model inside the SolidWorks, define rules and calculation in DriveWorks, and DriveWorks works in integrated with SolidWorks, which help to generate the new variant or defining the new specification. It automatically calculates and develops the new variant based on the design calculations and rules. Today we are able to generate the conveyors in 1 day instead of 1 month, and we are now implementing automation tools for our other equipments. What I would like to specifically mention here is that it is extremely important to also choose the right technology partner to implement such tools, and Idea Design Solutions has continuously supported us to be successful with DriveWorks. Yamunanagar is not a place where a lot of people invest a lot of money on technology, specifically on softwares. But the way Idea Design Solutions approached us was totally different. They never asked us to buy software, rather they understood our entire process, right from customer inquiries to design and development activities, and as well as the manufacturing process. Type of products we design, the process we adopt, and the problems we faced. They also interviewed our key team members, understood challenges at each level, and accordingly proposed us to implement the tools like SolidWorks, DriveWorks, and EPDM, along with their services to overcome our challenges like longer and costlier design cycle. The solution helped us to be quite efficient, and we were able to deliver more number of projects in a particular time frame. Talking about their services, they take full charge of the implementation and push us to learn and use the tools in the most efficient manner. They conduct skill gap studies and audits to ensure that the implementation is on track and accordingly take corrective measures. I am thankful to them for helping us to achieve the desired objectives of investments we had made.
SolidWorks has allowed us to generate the 3D component. Once 3D component has been generated, the same model is used for designing their core and cavities. Further, in SolidWorks we also create complete mold tool design, and with the help of 3D data we generate all detailed manufacturing drawings. Also, all the required tolerances and other annotations for shop floor people are also generated. By creating these drawings quickly in SolidWorks, we have saved most of our time. It had taken us to create views manually in 2D software. I want to say that all the designs which are being made using SolidWorks and finally manufactured look phenomenal. In particular, I am very impressed with the visualization of the design and how easy it is to do the required changes. We really appreciate the efforts of Ideas Design Solution team that went into implementation of the technology at our company and helping us finding solution for the problem being faced by us on everyday basis.
ANG Auto is the largest manufacturer of trailer business in India. We supply trailers to Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors and various other OEMs. 55% of our revenue comes from the automotive components which we supply abroad. So design play a very crucial role in our company, and recently our company has also entered into the prefabricated plant structure business. ANG Auto started its business as a manufacturer of air brake assembly, and later on we diversified our portfolio. We started making all the components that are used in a trailer, and as I said, right now we are the largest manufacturer of trailer in India. Since we are into the commercial vehicle segment, design play a very crucial role in our industry, because with the rise of fuel prices and especially diesel prices in India, the transporters generally overload the vehicle. So analysis play a very crucial role in our product design. So that is why with the help of SolidWorks simulation we are able to analyze the weaker parts in our vehicle structure and able to find out where would be the maximum deflection, and we are able to find out that where the product is likely to fail. So that is why design play a very crucial role, design and analysis both. Before we choose SolidWorks, most of the drawings were in a 2D software. So we used to face a lot of dimensional error. Sometimes it used to happen that we receive a call from a shop floor that we are not able to integrate one component with the other. So after we use SolidWorks, we are able to reduce our design errors significantly, and not only our design errors but our whole product design cycle also. Since, as I said, we are into the commercial vehicle segment, which are generally overloaded by the end customer to substantially increase their profit, design analysis play a very crucial role, because when we do our design analysis part, we are able to identify weaker parts in our vehicular structure, and we are able to find out where there would be maximum deflection and which are the parts which are likely to fail first. So in that way we are able to design better products with the help of SolidWorks simulation. See, there were multiple reasons which allow us to choose SolidWorks. First reason is that we were looking for a software which is very user friendly, so that we could train our existing employees in a very short span of time. Second reason is that most of our clients, our vendors, we were looking for a software in which we were able to import geometry very easily with least amount of import errors. And third reason is that we were looking for a software in which analysis module was integrated was I mean to say in which analysis modules was already built in, so that we could apart from 3D modeling we could also analyze our vehicular structure.
In 2005, we chose to replace our existing 3D package with SolidWorks. SolidWorks representative conducted a benchmarking process that demonstrated SolidWorks capabilities for complex assemblies models, generating manufacturing drawings, testing performance, and simulating operations of a virtual prototype. After seeing these demonstrations, the division's management was convinced that we needed to move to SolidWorks. And today we can say that we have took a right decision. With SolidWorks software, we can make design changes more easily. The software has also helped us by increasing the productivity, shortening the design cycles by at least 75%, accelerating the time to market by 40%, and trimming the development cost by 60%. The software is really helping us to improve new product development, and we have used it on more than 400 products. Using the integrated simulation module in SolidWorks Premium software, our designers can more quickly evaluate concepts and validate designs, which contribute to companies' improved performance. The SolidWorks simulation tool has a user-friendly workflow and approach, and enable us test models digitally. Because it provides an effortless automated approach to 3D meshing, it is the simulation tool of choice of our designers. We prefer SolidWorks simulation over other analysis tools that we have evaluated.